Tessy Plastics is a contract manufacturer for the medical device and consumer products industry. We manufacture plastic injection components and assemblies for Johnson & Johnson, Colgate, and Procter & Gamble, amongst others. We have over 200 injection molded machines ranging from 7.5 ton to 750 tons. And we have over a dozen different assembly lines, whether it be high-speed assembly for the consumer products area, assembling at rates up to 400 pieces per minute, or some very high complex, very tight assemblies for the medical device area where we're doing 60 pieces per hour. The ZEISS systems in their software Calypso is able to tie together three technologies that we use: touch probe CMMs, scanning CMMs, and the metrotomography systems. The one software will be able to control all of them, and it gives us a large technology base for all types of metrology. We use the Metrotome primarily for doing first article inspections on very complex, small geometries for the medical device industry. We also use it for scanning assemblies and dissecting assemblies. So you take a scan of an entire canister or a cap enclosure and see potential leak paths, if they're leaking, where it could be coming from, or potential interferences where you could be binding or increasing torque or pull or anything like that. The Metrotome has allowed us to take complex first articles of multi-cavity micromolded tooling, things that used to take us traditionally a month and a half to do, now take us a couple weeks in a first article format. It's also allowed us to take our complex assemblies and see interferences or see leak paths where they might exist or may exist. The ZEISS Contour, the scanning CMMs, we're using those for qualifying our shapes and sizes on our deodorant canisters. We're able to get, instead of doing the traditional touch probing, we're able to get a limited amount of points. The scanning technology allows you to sweep the whole surface, and then we're able to take that and compare the different interferences or the different components that would interfere together to seal the canisters, to drive the deodorant out, and we're able to match those shapes across the different components. The Calypso software merges the three technologies, traditional CMM touch probing with the scanning technology and then the metrotomography technology. So one software for all three platforms. It allows our programmers to be very good at Calypso and not have to deal with multiple softwares. Another advantage is we're able to program off the model, so we're able to program the components using the model. The large benefit of the ZEISS systems is we're able to see our components and assemblies in ways we've never been able to see them before. You're able to see things on the component level, internal things to the geometry, possibly voids, or where things shrink due to voids, or complex geometries and how they relate to each other. On the assemblies, you're able to put an assembly in and actually see a leak path or see a potential interference or too much interference.